The egg diet, with its low calorie and high protein content, can help you lose weight by keeping you satisfied. A medium egg has 75 calories, 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 13 different vitamins and minerals. It has a high biological value since your body digests almost all of the egg protein. Although egg yolk includes cholesterol, research has shown that it has no effect on blood cholesterol but does increase the amount of saturated and trans fats we consume. So what exactly is the egg diet? Does the diet that claims to help you lose 7 kilograms in 1 week actually work? What foods are on the egg diet list? Is it possible to lose weight permanently by eating just eggs? Here are professional answers to the most frequently asked concerns regarding the egg diet, as well as a list of the egg diet. What is the egg diet? The egg diet is a low-calorie shock diet that claims to help you lose weight quickly. As the name implies, the diet contains many portions of boiled eggs each day, as well as other lean meats, non-starchy veggies, and low-carb fruits. Let's now discuss the egg diet in more detail. The egg diet first appeared in 2018 and quickly gained popularity. The egg diet is a healthy eating plan that emphasizes eating boiled eggs regularly, avoiding snacking, eating 3 major meals per day, consuming low-sugar fruits and vegetables, and avoiding prepared foods, junk food, and fast food. Let's look at the advantages of eggs, as we will be eating them frequently on this diet. Eggs are a high-quality food, comparable to breast milk. It has a lot of protein and good fats. It boosts the metabolism. Keeps you full. It supports the muscular structure. Many people notice that when they consume eggs, they feel fuller than on other days because it regulates blood sugar. It includes omega-3. It includes heart-healthy lipids like lutein. Additionally, it has high levels of iron and B12. The main components of the egg diet are eggs, lean proteins, and low-carb fruits and vegetables. Water and unsweetened tea or coffee without milk or cream are also permitted as non-caloric drinks. How much weight will you lose on the egg diet? The egg diet promises that you may lose 7 kilograms in 1 week and even 14 kilos in 2. It can be used for up to 2 weeks. While the egg diet promotes the consumption of lean protein, fruit, and vegetables, it is not long-term sustainable because it excludes all food groups. In the next sections of the video, we will discuss whether or not this diet is healthy. 7-Day Egg Diet. Although the egg diet can help you lose weight rapidly, it is not recommended for people who have health issues or are taking medication. Coffee, tea, fruit tea, green tea, fresh grapefruit juice, water, and mineral water are permitted drinks. Important guidelines: no alcohol, no oil, milk, or butter. No between-meal snacks. The order of the meals cannot be changed. Only the locations of the days may be changed. Everything else on the menu must be consumed exactly as it appears. What foods may we eat without restriction when following the egg diet? You can eat white meat varieties such as chicken and fish in particular. As the name suggests, you should eat the egg boiled. Because milk and butter are prohibited, boiled eggs should be used instead of scrambled eggs. In addition, it is possible to eat low-carb and low-starch veggies. It might be broccoli, cauliflower, or cabbage. Fruits with less sugar can be eaten. Orange, lemon, grapefruit, tangerine, and kiwi are a few examples of favored fruits. Mineral water, coffee, tea, and herbal teas are also allowed in your diet. Healthy fats can be included in the diet without any restrictions. Additionally, bran bread, whole wheat bread, low-carb whole grain bread, rye bread, and brown bread can all be eaten. The diet doesn't allow for any snacks. The group of milk and butter won't be used. There are no ready-made foods, junk food, or high-starch veggies like potatoes, celery, or sweet potatoes. You will not eat white bread or anything made with white flour in your diet. Now I'll explain the first 4 days with examples. I'll provide a list of the other days. We may also send the list as a PDF to anyone who requests it. First day. For breakfast, 2 boiled eggs, 1 orange, 2 walnuts and green vegetables. For lunch, choose 1 portion of grilled chicken or roasted chicken with vegetables and green salad. At dinner, unlimited boiled broccoli and 1 sliced dark bread. On the second day. For breakfast, an omelette with 2 eggs. Use olive oil, and if you want, you can use mushrooms or other green vegetables. 1 orange or mandarin, 12 almonds or nuts. For lunch, 1 portion of grilled fish and green salad. At dinner, a salad with 6-spoon green lentils. You can add 1 spoon of olive oil. 1 slice of dark bread. The third day. For breakfast, 2 slices of feta cheese, 1 orange, 2 walnuts and 2 dried apricots. For lunch, 1 portion of grilled meat or roasted meat with vegetables and plenty of green salad. At dinner, 2 boiled eggs, 1 mandarin or orange, green salad and 1 dark bread slice. Fourth day. For breakfast, 2 slices of feta cheese. 12 almonds or nuts, 2 dried apricots, green veggies and 1 dark bread slice. For lunch, 2 boiled eggs and 1 grapefruit or kiwi, lots of green salad. Use 1 teaspoon olive oil. At dinner, naked vegetables, you can use eggplant, zucchini or broccoli. And 1 dark bread slice. According to experts, a maximum of 2 to 3 kilograms should be lost in a healthier way in 1 week. The egg diet is actually a highly nutritious diet because it includes items like eggs, wholesome veggies, feta cheese, and fruits. But let's draw a distinction here. Sadly, this diet is quite low in calories, even if it includes healthy items. As a result, you will lose weight because you consume fewer calories rather than because it speeds up your metabolism. Additionally, this diet has a rather modest protein intake. Consequently, as it is a low-calorie diet, your weight loss will be affected by it. At this point, I'd like to make a proposal. I do not advise you to follow such diets if you are not in a rush or if you have a specific disease. However, if you have a big day coming up, such as your wedding or engagement, and you will need to lose weight rapidly. In other words, it can be used if there is a legitimate emergency, but I advise not sticking with this diet for longer than 2 weeks, or even longer than a week. You should be aware that you'll need to combine dieting with exercise and a low-calorie nutritious dietary plan after the diet. According to experts, it is recommended to lose weight slowly and permanently with healthy diets. Now, if there are any topics you'd like me to cover, write them down and I'll put them on my priority list. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, stay healthy. See you on better days.